What's up guys, it's Raph in the Raph Cave and welcome back to another unboxing video. This is a little bit different. This is back to my original angle when I did these unboxing videos for you guys, and also you can actually see a little bit more around me. So this one here is an unboxing of the Sanus Swiveling TV base. It's universal. What's great about this one, picked it up at Best Buy by the way, goes for $149. Between 32 inch and 60 inch, if the feet of your TV are broke or missing or whatever, and you got to put your TV on a base because you want to put it on a stand, this is great. Also, if you have a TV or if you have a great stand, you have a stand that you like, you don't want to get rid of it, but it's only so wide, and you know, and your TV's feet are on the side so it doesn't fit, and you want something that has a smaller base to fit a bigger TV, this is what you want right here. Welcome to the channel guys, I'm Raph. I do home theater inspiration videos, unboxings, trailer reactions, and live gaming content. So if you like that stuff, feel free to hit that subscribe, hit that bell so you know when I come out with the next video, or if I'm doing a live stream, and feel free to join the Raph Cave Club. Appreciate it. Welcome. So, this box right here is quite heavy, of course. But as you can see, Sanus Swiveling TV base, it's fantastic. What's great about this is just like a TV mount, a regular TV mount. It goes to the back of your TV on those 4 holes. So it's got universal, you can spread it out, whatnot. Put on your back of your TV. This base here will swivel, so you can turn your TV left and right. Also, the most important thing, which is really cool, is it can raise up and down so you can fit your sound bar right below your screen. That's awesome, right? So that's really cool because I have a sound bar. I'm going to raise my TV enough where it fits underneath. It's awesome. So this is great. Comes with all the bolts and screws and all the instructions you need. But let's get this guy unboxed, see what's inside, and then I'm going to put it on a LG 55 inch upstairs in the master bedrooms, put on my dresser. It's going to be great. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. All right guys, so here's the box right here. Swiveling TV base, 32 to 60 inch. Pretty awesome. Basically made for a universal TV. Fits a soundbar below it. On the back here, let's see what we got. Just a few pictures of what you can do with it. Takes about 20 minutes to install it. But yeah, it's pretty step by step, guys. So let's open this guy up, see what it gives us. All right, now you know what this calls for. Black pin. All right, a couple pieces of tape here and here. So that's about it. Two flaps. All right, so what we got in this box here? Instruction manual, it's always important. A couple cardboard pieces here. So here's the actual base for it. Boom, nice and wide base. Got the screws on top. Nice, very sturdy. Just like this right here is the back plate for it. Okay, so that'll sit right in that base, and this is where you, it's got a couple hooks right here. This is where you mount the TV bracket to. Okay, I'm not sure what this guy is. Various screws and washers and bolts. So you're definitely gonna be able to fit a wide variety of TVs with all these bolts and screws. That's good. So I got the Allen wrench here tool. It's like this is the back plate, in the middle there. It's got some arrows up here. Looks like you, depending on how high you need it to be off the sound bar, that's what that's for. All right. So these are the most important things here. So these 2 brackets here are going to line up with the back of your TV where the screws are, those 4 holes. And once you do that, hooking on the bracket. All right, that's about it, guys, in there. Instruction manual here basically just gives you detailed information on how to mount the TV. It looks like all you need is a screwdriver and a leveler. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this installed on my LG TV in the bedroom, and then I'll just show you what it looks like when it's installed. All right, guys, see you in a little bit. All right, guys, we got the TV down on the bed here, and what you want to do is look for the 4 holes, right? So one here, one here, one here, and one here. So what they want is these 2 brackets to be laying this way, just like that. And then just find out, find the middle round here, right about there, and right about, let's move my LEDs down a little bit here. And so right about there. So basically with all the screws and bolts, you want to find the right length of the screw and use a washer, and then go ahead and put those in. And then with this back plate, that's when you're going to determine, how high you need it to be on here. And then you attach it to the base, and then we'll go from there. Okay, guys? All right, so I'm going to get started with this. All right, guys, just want to show you how to put the base together. So the back plate, you can't really see it, sorry guys, but there's these 4 screws that stick up from the base, and you just lay the back plate on top of the 4 screws sticking up. Then you use the 4 washers and tighten the washers down on all 4 by using this little wrench here. Just tighten them down, okay? Now, on the actual mount itself on the TV, once you get those 2 brackets hooked up and find the 4 screws, make sure you use the washers. This back plate here, you want to make sure adjusts and fits the 4 screws here. So I had to lower this bracket a little bit just to fit those 2 there. And then you want to use the interface screws, which are these 4, which will screw into the 4 holes here. And then once you do that, then we can put some other stuff on. All right, be right back. All right, guys, so this is where I'm going to put the base, right on top of the dresser here. So as you see, the 4 washer bolts here on top of there secure this thing. And then we put the swivel bracket here. There's a little latch here that you hook it on, and then you put a couple screws here and here to lock it in. And then what we're going to do is it's probably going to be one of the top 3 or 4 notches here. It's just going to hang right here, right? And once you do that, there's a couple more screws you want to put in to fasten it, and then we can do the swiveling and stuff like that. So, and then of course the sound bar is going to fit right here. It's going to look fantastic. All right, I'm going to get that hooked up. All right, see ya. All right, guys, we're done. We got the TV up. As you can see, it swivels. There's the base back there. Plenty of room. Got wire management if you want to run your wires in, you can. But swivel, of course, is awesome, very smooth. There's an adjustable bracket there for tilt and for centering the screen, but with the soundbar right there, plenty of space to turn, and then I can fit the soundbar perfectly right underneath like that. Center it a little bit, and it's just perfect. It's just fantastic. So if you guys need a TV mount that's universal between 32 and 60 inches, maybe even 65, and you want a center base and not the feet on the sides, this is the way to go. So thumbs up, guys. It was quite a good project, and it works out very well. So here's the box one more time. The Sanus Swiveling TV base. Upgrade your TV stand for a better view. Fantastic. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Appreciate a like. Appreciate a comment if this might be useful to you. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks a lot. Take care. Home theater rules. Wrap up. See ya.